Alrighty, we've just got all of the components of our marinade mixed into our soy sauce here. We've got our peanut butter, our honey, our sesame seeds, ginger, garlic, our Szechuan sauce, all the flavors that are gonna just make these red meat super, super tender and delicious. I'm just kind of rubbing them together to make sure they're nicely coated and making sure all of our ingredients are thoroughly mixed. We're just gonna pop our lid on here and let those marinate. Alrighty, now that we've got everything here onto our habichi, I'm just adding some of our extra marinade on top of our veggies. We've got a collection of bell pepper strips, some fresh broccoli, yummy, and our pearl onions. And we are just giving the steaks a sear onto each side. We did pick them to be equally thick, so it would be easiest to cook them at the same time because they had equal thickness. I'm gonna come in with some more of my sesame seeds right here on the veggies, just to give those a nice crunch and a nice taste. Oh, this is looking and smelling absolutely amazing. I love to make Asian food at home. And because we do want this to be a little bit spicy, I am just gonna come in with some wasabi. And I'm just gonna get this going so we can do a nice drizzle of this across our entire canvas here. We just wanna make sure we're getting some on all the areas. Sure, I've got some on these onions. I love onions with wasabi, just so yummy. And just a few droplets here onto my steaks. It'll make them nice and tender. Beautiful. Alrighty, I'm just gonna close the lid on my habichi here. We're gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. Dinner is ready. Let me just use my habichi flippers here. I'm gonna grab my steaks off. Look how gorgeous those look. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Some of our beautiful vegetables. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, love it. Oh, it looks so good. The only thing left to do is cut in to these beautiful, beautiful steaks. They're gonna be a nice medium rare. Oh, that looks so good. Before I bring this in to Marty for his big birthday dinner. Oh my gosh. Y'all, Asian American fusion meal, you gotta try it.